Hello everyone, I have created for you an image of the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. The ear is an incredibly complex system of parts, so today I will just be covering the primary anatomical structures. Let's begin with the outer ear. This part of the ear contributes to sound detection. This is done by connecting and channeling sound waves in the external auditory meatus, as you can see right here, which is also known as the ear canal, to the tympanic membrane, also known as the eardrum. The pinna, right here, plays a role in both sound localization and enhancement of the resonance of sound. The middle ear contains three ossicles right there, which are the malleus, incus, and stapes that connect the tympanic membrane to the middle ear. The middle ear also contains the eustachian tube, right here, which plays a role in equalizing nasopharynx pressure to atmospheric pressure. The inner ear contains the semicircular canals, which help us to keep, right here, which help us to keep our balance. The cochlea, this spirally coiled structure that you can see here, contains the organ of Corti, which is the sensory end of hearing. The cochlear nerves here, which are also referred to as the acoustic or auditory nerves, transfers auditory information from the cochlea and then into the brain. With all of this information, I hope that I have provided you with a solid understanding of how each part, the outer, middle, and inner ear work together to collect sounds and send them to the brain. Thank you.